Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is OchisFaj, and in today's video I'm going to show you this recipe, and if you try it, your joystick will become very long, very strong and very big. Try this recipe, there is no joke in it. You will be able to last long, no more night cry, because you're going to boost your power pack and you'll be able to increase from 20 to 40. You will no longer be a 20 to 40 second man, but you'll be able to last from 3 to 4 hours with this drink. Please try this recipe. It's quite amazing. It's a very powerful aphrodisiac, very natural and very safe to use. Thank you, because I want you to watch it step by step so you'll be able to do it all on your own. Please watch out, guys. Garlic is very important this recipe. We are going to include garlic in this recipe because it's very good. It does not only help to promote sexual libido, but it also contains a lot of important nutrients that is very beneficial to our health. We're going to be peeling it and slicing it into pieces so we can add it into our ingredients. The next thing we're going to be using is our beetroot. Beetroot is also very important and very good because it helps in circulation of blood, it helps in brain function, it also helps to increase sexual desire and help in the circulation of blood. Beetroot is very good because it also acts as an antioxidant. Okay, we are also going to be using our cucumber. Cucumber is loaded with vitamin C and magnesium, which are both play a role in supporting sexual health, elevating energy and increasing libido. Vitamin C specifically improves blood flow, which can help erectile function, Cucumber are also known for their undeniably erotic shape. It has a lot of content of manganese and a lot of water present in it. Ginger is also a great one for sexual libido. Ginger helps to boost erectile dysfunction, and ginger is also very good in blood circulation. It helps to boost immunity, and ginger helps in terms of a lot of health benefits. It has a lot of benefits. We always want to include ginger whenever we are preparing this kind of recipe drink. So we're going to start by grinding it. Please try to watch this video to the end so you'll be able to do it on your own. We're going to blend very well, and after blending, the next thing we're going to do is to remove it from the blender and sieve it properly so you don't have to take it with a child. Alright, you can check, girls, you can check in my next video. I also describe step by step what you can do to increase your breast side, your booty, and to gain your perfect curve. It's there. After this video, you can check on it